Executive Member in Charge Taxation of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today inaugurated the 3,000-litre extended water tank at Sngithiang locality in Mawprem in the presence of the headman and residents of the area. The extended water tank will augment the present water requirement. The old water tank is providing 5,000 litres of drinking water for the residents. The enhancement of another 3,000 litres of water will ease the water shortage of the residents. Speaking on the occasion, Paul Lyngdoh said that the water accumulation for the locality is being implemented from the scheme from the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. He said the extended water tank has been constructed 11,50,000 rupees.
Afrika Paisni abang Padian Shakanega project Akamawa Hapo Bani Aslan Mingkom Fraka first phase Kalon Drat Matpendap Namaka Jingdawa Pat Kijing and Mut Kalong Shisha Babun Sifta Ring Lala Matpendap The Pring Jum Kataru Kalau Mibiang Kajing Persnow Nagalang Jong local committee kelawan yang kedua nga panjatu ba kampat biang kampat dap kebun ke ke ba suli ba melapan dap pendan kami ka ba nak tak tahu nila plan saya ni ke second phase pan lumban lang sa lahaja liter pan penlong ya ka ba rahaja liter na mata Jingdon kam John Kanigashna to Skubadiwan I kitchen. Play the Bakapang Ya Samla Broad and cut Kakunhun ki kita dekat kanik project bahkan long kumni kumba long dagba kilale ya kakam kawani kakam kababaha kakam kaba nangait kan kren nak benda kecing tray janai buat kecing tray berhenti kecungki dia akan dikepur tip hingga council hakabangan adon ketika council kepa ikenduk shibun kibang yang financial constraint kecing kerdu haka mantingka dari Meghalaya ASHA Pak Meghalaya ASHA di Sengkang di badan kam kebedai bat kamtam kebedai na bentak niki basic services kijing don kam songko kebolong ga essential service nak bentak jongi goi pibai ni asmo thu ha yakani bat I bun napi le kena Hani Mawprem hindang kenmau hi kipur pania rak di bahar di borti nangi semua perang namau perang tentang macadu sabaulai penyawaku